Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great week and a great day. So as promised, I'm going to be doing one video every month on baby or mommy related stuff. So today is a product review video on the Super Bottoms Uno 2.0. It's an upgrade from their previous version of the free size Uno, and it's an amazing product. That's something that I can already tell you. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, then hi, I'm Sania and I make beauty, lifestyle, fashion and mommy related videos. And do follow me on Instagram. My handle is right here. And without further ado, let's get started. Before we get into this product review, let me tell you that I'm not sponsored by Super Bottoms at all. This is just my experience and something that I'm very passionate about, and I just want other mommies to know about this option of diapering, because I know that once you get into cloth diapering, there's not going to be any looking back. So let me just show you what exactly and how exactly does this work. So this particular diaper, if you see, it's completely cloth. The outer material is completely waterproof. So inside you have this particular layer. As you can see, it's like this fuzzy kind of layer. So this is what they call the super dry feel layer. How this works is you can't be using this alone. You have to put something like that, which is like this. It's called the magic dry feel pads. Okay, so you kind of like fold it. Okay. And then you button it up to these buttons here, and then it goes on like a pad in on the baby's bottom. I will also be putting like a demo kind of video to show you how you use it. It's very simple. Anyone can cloth diaper. It's so simple. So in the previous versions, or if you see any other diaper from any other brand, you will always see these buttons over here, and you constantly have to size it according to the baby's size, and it's sometimes it can get a little confusing, and you're not very sure, and then you tend to just say forget it, I don't want a cloth diaper, it's so difficult. But this particular version of the Super Bottoms 2.0 is so simple. Why? The reason for that is because they only have the buttons on the band area. Okay, so the top buttons are for a larger size and the bottom buttons are for a smaller size. So according to your baby's waist, you just have to snap and go. So you just put it on the baby, snap the buttons, and you're done. So it's a very on the go kind of option, and that is something I prefer because I'm a working mom. I can't be spending like hundreds of hours figuring out which button works for my baby and all that, because I literally have no time in the day. I am really occupied. So I want something that is fast, something that's effective and does not give my baby rashes. And this was the best option because I did try other brands and they didn't really work because of the sizing or the kind of elastic. Another thing is that I really like about this is the elastic over here, as you can see. Okay, it's not very thick, so it doesn't create those really pesky marks on the baby's skin, because baby's skin is really thin and very sensitive. So if you just kind of put something like heavily on their skin, it very easily causes those marks, which I don't prefer. Now the thing is that when you on your cloth diapering journey, it will be a learning curve. It may not be something that you may get in the first go, but don't leave it. The Super Bottoms has a very good service where you can ask mommies that work for them. They are not salespeople, they are mommies that work for them, where they do address your issues. I have consulted with them multiple times and they have solved all my doubts, and that's a really good feature about their company. For a detailed way in which you need to wash the diapers, you can go on to Super Bottoms YouTube channel. They have very clearly shown how you need to wash the diapers. You can even get in touch with the customer care and ask them how you do it. However, I can just give you a small little rundown on that. It highly depends upon whether you want to hand wash them or you want to machine wash them. I prefer machine because that's faster. So when you wash these diapers, you don't need to do them separately. You can wash them along with the other baby laundry. So you're not using a lot of electricity or separate water or anything. So you need to give it a pre-wash for around 15 to 20 minutes, and then you need to put it on a cotton 40 cycle that you would see on the panel of your washing machine. If you're hand washing it, I think it's better you get in touch with the customer care, because that's not something I do, so I'm not very sure about that. But I do machine wash, and I think that's the simplest way in which you can wash your diapers. And then the best option for drying would be sun drying, but now since it's the rainy season, or if it's the winter season and the sun is not out, you can obviously dry them under a fan. So in this part of the video, I'll be showing you a demo as to how you need to put the diaper onto the baby. So do watch. So overall, let's look at what are the pros and cons of cloth diapering or using disposables. Now, of course, when you're cloth diapering, you're reducing a lot of waste that could land in landfills and protecting the environment and really securing your child's future. Another thing that you're really saving up on is a lot of moolah that you may spend on these diapers. A lot of money being saved. It's a very cost effective option. Now the cons would be that sometimes if you don't size it well and you don't follow the instructions, it could be a little bulky, and that's something people may get a little sensitive about. I think I only see that as a con. I don't see any cons, and at times, yes, investing upfront may not be an option for everyone, so that could be another con. When it comes to disposables, yes, it's a very toss and go kind of option, super convenient, and it's something that you don't have to be bothered about. You don't have to rewash and things like that. However, it's very, very harsh on the environment, and I really feel very passionate about things related to the environment. And yes, I'm not the most environmentally friendly person. However, I try to do my bit wherever I can. Another pro, at times parents may find disposables a little more breathable. However, that may not be the case for all disposables. But yeah, that's something that people do consider as a pro. Now, when it comes to the cons of disposables, as all of us already know, there are a lot of chemicals that are used that are not good for your child. You may not see the effects now, but you may see it a little later. Another thing is that diaper rash is very common in disposables as compared to reusable cloth diapers. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. So since I'm part of the Super Bottoms family Facebook page, I do see a lot of concerns that are expressed by some of the new mommies. Though I'm not really a representative from the Super Bottoms company, I just thought I could address some of them from my personal experience and what I've done to deal with these issues. So the first concern and the number one thing that I've always seen is that it's bulky. Now, to be honest, yes, it will be a little bulkier than a disposable diaper. However, it is not something that will cause discomfort to your child. This particular version of the Super Bottoms Uno is known as the trimmest diaper, and that's actually really true, because I have tried a lot of other diapers, cloth diapers from other brands, and I find this a very trim option. So even if it's a little bulky, it's fine. Rest assured, your child is not in any kind of discomfort, because my baby at least enjoys it a lot. The second concern that I do come across on that page is about the marks coming on the baby's skin. Now, the thing is that what I experienced is that marks come even from disposable diapers. As long as the baby is not crying or there's no rash that is formed on the skin, I think it's something that can be addressed with a little bit of coconut oil or any kind of oil that you massage the baby with. You can just apply it on that area, and after a few hours it just goes off. There's nothing that causes any kind of discomfort or rash. At least it does not happen with my baby, so that is something you don't need to be bothered about. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you had fun watching the review of the Super Bottoms Zuno. Comment down below and let me know what is your diapering option, whether you cloth diaper or you use disposables or whatever is your preference. And if you do end up using this product, do let me know in the comments what was your experience. And if you do take any pictures, any cute bum shots, do tag me on Instagram and also tag the brand and let them know that I sent you. And do watch my previous 2 videos because I'm sure you'll be having a lot of fun watching them. Have fun and stay safe. Bye.